So let's try finding f inverse again with another example. So here we want to find f inverse if our y equal f of x is x plus 3 over 1 minus 2x. So first thing we want to do is interchange x and y. So this will become x equals y plus 3 over 1 minus 2y. And now we want to solve for y. So, well, let's see. Let's get rid of fractions here first. Multiply both sides by 1 minus 2y. So on the right-hand side, those guys cancel. They divide away. Any expression divide by itself. On the left-hand side, let's multiply that x in. So x times 1 is x. X times negative 2y, negative 2xy, equals y plus 3. And then we want to get the y terms on the same side here. So let's see, why don't we go ahead and bring this term over on the right. So let's add 2xy to both sides. And then we'll want to get the 3 over on the left-hand side. So y terms on the right and everything else on the left. So let's subtract 3 on both sides. So on the left-hand side, these guys cancel. On the right-hand side, these cancel. So we're left with, on the left, we've got negative 3 and positive x. On the right-hand side, we've got a positive y and a positive 2xy. And now we want to solve for y. Notice it's a common factor on the right-hand side, so let's factor that common y out. What's left in this term is a 1. Factor the y out of here, 2x is left. And on the left-hand side, negative 3 plus x, we can write that as x minus 3. And now y is multiplied by that quantity 1 plus 2x. So let's divide that guy off both sides. And these guys cancel. And then there's our y equal. So our y, which is f inverse of x, is going to be x minus 3 on top. And then denominator 1 plus 2x. And then notice here that our domain, we can't have x equal 1/2 in the domain. And that actually means here that y equal 1/2 is not going to be in the range. So let's take a look at what these graphs look like real quick. So if we go back to Desmos here. So I've already graphed x plus 3 over 1 minus 2x. That is the red graph here. Green is y equal x. Let's go ahead and put our inverse function in here. That was x minus 3. And then divide by 1 plus 2x. So the blue and the red are reflections over the green line. So, okay, you reflect this blue, you get this red. If you reflect this blue, you get this red. And then notice that for the red is the original function, that x equals 1/2 right here was not in the domain. And then notice for the blue that y equal 1/2 is not in the range. It's horizontal asymptote. X equal 1/2 was a vertical asymptote for the original function. So again, we see that domain and range are switching.